Saturday night was the last time I'm doing that show. From the beginning to the end, there is a consistent disregard that neither of us have to put up with. They don't need me, I don't need them. You know, when we negotiate commercial activity, the only thing people think about is remuneration package. And the reason why I usually feel uncomfortable and I'm reluctant to accept work coming to me from local promoters is mostly because of everything else. Mostly because of the lack of manners and the unwillingness to provide technical support. Saturday night, I left from the show and drove for just about an hour to get to my Airbnb because I had no room. Now, check this. Somebody asked me, so didn't you guys negotiate? They refused to go above 6 rooms. And it is my opinion that every Jamaican artist needs to do Jamaican shows. That's an opinion. It's not a hard and fast rule or fact. It's not a law. But I feel like every Jamaican needs to do Jamaican shows at some point. And for the most part, all of us do. Sometimes we have to bend over backwards to make it happen. My agent and I both opted to get ourselves Airbnb and let the band and the background singers and the engineer have the rooms because it was not enough to accommodate all of us. We stayed outside. We were given instructions to get on a shuttle because no vehicle passes would be given out. We got not even one vehicle pass, so we went to the rendezvous spot where we were told to jump on the shuttle, and when we got there, we were dismissed. We have no such knowledge of you entering these premises, and it's understandable because all-inclusive hotel, only guests are allowed to go in. This is standard policy and it is practical. It has nothing to do with the hotel. Being instructed to go there, I thought this was something that they actually discussed with this entity and got permission for that. No such conversation actually existed between the two entities. And so me and my crew were turned back and told to go someplace else. And the shuttle picked up those who were staying at the hotel and drive to somewhere else past the show to collect the rest of us and go to the show.